Hey, how's it going, guys? Today's strategy is going to be about how you can make money all the way up to 700 US dollars by simply using Google Translate. It's a free tool, so anyone can use it. And no matter where in the world you're from, you can do this to make an extra couple of $100 on the side. So if you want to learn how to pull this off, even without any skills or experience, then do pay close attention to the simple steps, tips, and tricks that I'll be sharing with you today. Also, make sure that you stick around for the entire video so I can show you exactly how. This is Next Level Finance, the space where we teach you the best, the easiest, and most legit ways that you can make money online. If you want to achieve financial freedom, or if you maybe want to grow the number of income streams that you currently have, if you want to monetize your free time, then you've come to the right place because those are the kinds of things that we talk about day in and day out on this very channel. Do join our community by hitting the like, share, and subscribe buttons down below because we post several videos a week, and trust me when I say you wouldn't want to miss out on a single one of them. With all of that said, let's go make some money. Let's start off on a high note. I wanted to show you just how much you can potentially make here by successfully working this strategy. If you translate 2 files, you can make anywhere between 100 to 150 US dollars. If you translate 4 files, well, you can make up to $450. If you translate 8 files, you make a whopping $700. So if you're saving up for something special, then you can do this strategy multiple times over to fast track your savings because the income potential is huge for something that is so easy. And did I already mention that this is 100% free to start? If you're ready, then take out your mobile phone or your laptop, whichever you intend to use, since both will work fine with this strategy, and let me walk you through how you can start making money here. The first platform that I want you to visit would be this website called Ladium.org. It's a freelance marketplace where you can post or look for jobs. And there are a ton of opportunities available here. So let's browse this platform for a quick bit so you can see how it works, and then I'll also take you through the sign-up process. Signing up will give you a sign-up bonus and will also allow you full access to all of the available projects, so that's the first step that you need to take. The jobs here do fall under a wide range of the usual categories, including graphic design, writing, social media marketing, etc. And all of these rackets will allow you to get paid in your choice of payment, be it PayPal, Payoneer, crypto, and just the other usual payout methods. So I suggest that you find out what you would be interested to do and get started on it right away. Step number 2 would be to submit that work that you complete through the Ladium contract management system. And for step 3, that's to simply wait to get paid. Take note that your work will be reviewed and needs to be approved in order for you to get paid. So you need to make sure that you do this properly and that you pay attention to all of the steps that I will teach you in this video. Once approved, you get instant payment in your Ladium wallet. Alright, so let's do a quick demo. Over on the Ladium website, click on I want to work, and then again, click on I want to work. You'll then be directed to their registration page where you'll need to enter just the usual login details. Your first name, last name, email address, username, and password. Also, click on I'm not a robot and then continue. Make sure that you use a valid email address because they will be sending you a verification link on there, which you'll need to click on to activate your account. Once you do that, you'll also get your $1 sign-up bonus straight away. As I said, signing up gives you access to all of the projects available on the platform, and to do that, just click on Browse Projects over here to find all of them. The thing is, there are a ton of different projects that you can choose from, and it can be very confusing. I also know that a lot of you are beginners looking for something that you can do without any technical skills to start. graphic design, script writing, software development, and most of the others here do require some sort of skill, but that doesn't mean that you don't have a place here. You do. I've got you. Alright, so over here on the left, you'll see the different categories available, and I want you to focus on language and translation. I did mention at the beginning of the video that we would be using Google Translate to make money, right? So let me show you just how you can do it. Here are some articles that you can expect to receive here. See this one? It's in Chinese and they need it in English. So here's another article, it's in Japanese, and again, you need to translate it to English. When you're able to do that, you make an extremely easy $75, and once a task is approved, you get paid immediately. I know from our stats that some of our viewers on this channel are not from the US. A lot of you are from other parts of the world too. Well, the automated way that Google's artificial intelligence is going to be doing all of the work for you here will allow you to successfully complete a task without a hitch so that you can make money not just once, not just twice, but over and over again. So let's open Google Translate and you can see how quickly and easily this will work. This is the exact website that we want to visit. It's translate.google.com. On the left side, it says detect language. So you know what? You don't even need to specify which language you'll be translating an article from. So let me go ahead and paste this sample article over here. As I do that, Google Translate is able to tell me that the language is in Japanese, and in an instant, I get its English version. The only thing I need to do now would be to copy the entire file and paste it onto a separate Word file or even Google Doc file. Super easy. As an option, you can even choose to just upload a whole document by browsing your computer and uploading your file right here to do the whole transformation in an instant. If you want to take it a step further, which I suggest that you do, it would be better if you can use the autocorrect or auto spell feature of Microsoft Word or Google Docs just to make sure that the article isn't just translated correctly, but that it's also grammatically sound. Using a free app extension like Grammarly can also help you do this. Whether I'm working on a paid job or not, I always like to do this to make sure that my work is top-notch. Guys, so these are the kinds of things that I talk about in our YouTube community in each of the videos here. I want to give you guys the first dibs on all of these money-making opportunities because I truly want you to succeed. And if you want that for yourself too, then what are you waiting for? Go ahead and join us today by hitting the like, share, and subscribe buttons below. It's completely free and we do post multiple money-making ideas every week. With that said, I hope you got a ton of value from this video and that you're inspired to start building wealth right away. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, then do leave them down below and we'd be happy to answer you. Also, let me know what you want to see next and I'll make sure to include it in our video pipeline. If you're interested to keep learning, I'll leave some of my other videos down below so that you can check them out after this one. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care and I'll see you again on the next one.